Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install some aftermarket paddle shifters for your Golf GTE or any MK7 Golf that you might have. So I see a lot of these paddle shifter upgrades on the market, but I went for something different, one that I have not seen before, and it's actually a full replacement for the existing paddles, meaning you have to take the existing ones off and these come into place so they don't stick on like a lot of paddles I've seen. I didn't really like the idea of something sticking on with just an adhesive. I really wanted something rigid, something that's sort of worthy of the upgrade. So let's take them out. There you go. Right one, left one. So installing these is actually very easy. Now, I've read that people are kind of afraid that they have to take the whole steering wheel off. You don't. Just gonna put this here to the side. The only thing you'll need is a set of pliers, because we're gonna have to go into a space and extract a pin, and the pin actually holds the pedal to the wheel. So first of all, we're gonna do the right one. So I twisted my steering wheel a bit back to the center so you can see it. Now the pin is right here. There you go. I'll hold the pedal. Save this pin, obviously, you don't want to lose this. Now, pedal like that. Now there's a little nudge here that goes in there. So when fitting the new pedal, there you go. Make sure you put the nudge in the right way, or else your pedal will not work. Grab the pin and just slide that back in. There you go. Like that. Well, it's in. Very nice. So we're gonna do the left side right now. It's an exact copy of the right side, so I'm just gonna skip that and see the result. So look at that, that's the result. So fit it in place. Took me about 10 minutes with some fiddling, and I was a bit concerned about the quality, but seeing as these are from AliExpress, the fit is perfect. There's no play, so the finish is good, and the feedback is good. So what do you think? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks.